Hey guys, this is my first train I'm ever going to upload to YouTube. Guys, CSX local or mixed freight Q300 or CSX F778 coming, so let's see what we got. I could be wrong, this could be a coal train. Well, it's going to be, I think AC-44. New one. Nope. Oh, no way. Whoa. Awesome. It was like CW40 that it was a C40-8WM. Awesome. 7807. There it is. Wow. Don't know what that is, since it's a work train. My first train this year is a work train. This is incredibly great. This train. Okay guys, this train was a work train, so I don't know exactly what train that is. Maybe a W82, I'm not sure. So, we'll see at the next train, guys, if there's another one coming. Alright guys, see you next train. Goodbye guys. Alright, so this was a work train. And the main leader was a... Sorry about the truck noises. I'm in Carson, Virginia. This is Carson, Virginia. This is my first YouTube video ever. This was a work train. I don't know exactly because I don't have a train scanner. I would recommend a train scanner for me because I'm going to get a Uniden Bearcat scanner. That's what I want. And this one's led by a C40-8W. It's led by a C40-8W 7807, which is rare. And that's a rare because I never caught a work train at Carson. Alright guys, I'll see you at the next train, guys. Goodbye.